In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a pickup-only shipping profile in Shopify. We'll walk through the exact settings you need, step by step, so that your customers can choose to pick up their orders in person instead of having them shipped. This is perfect if you run a physical store, a studio, or a local pickup point and want to avoid shipping fees for nearby customers. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main admin screen, look down to the lower left corner and find the settings option. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the settings area, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you see shipping and delivery and click on it. This is where all of your shipping and pickup options are managed. On the shipping and delivery page, scroll down until you find a section or card labeled Pickup in Store. On the right side of that card, you'll see a button that says Setup. Click that button to start configuring pickup for your store. You'll now see a list of your locations. These are the physical places where you might store inventory or fulfill orders. Choose the specific location where you want customers to be able to pick up their orders. This might be your main store, a warehouse, or any other place where you can hand over products to customers. Once you've selected the location, turn on the option that says, Let customers pick up orders directly at this location. As soon as you toggle this on, more settings will appear below, giving you more control over how pickup works. Next, set an expected pickup time. Shopify gives you common options such as ready in 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 24 hours, 2 to 4 days, or 5 or more days. Choose the one that best reflects how quickly you can prepare most orders at that location. Being realistic here helps avoid customer frustration and unnecessary support messages. You'll also see an option to enable store transfers. Turning this on allows you to move inventory from other locations if the pickup location is out of stock. If you enable store transfers, choose which location you'll transfer from, and optionally set a different processing time at checkout when a transfer is needed. This tells customers that their order may take a bit longer if items need to be moved from another store. Finally, customize the Ready for Pickup notification message. This is what customers see when you tell them their order is ready. A simple example could be something like, bring your confirmation email when you come to collect your order. You can also add details like pickup hours, where to go once they arrive, or any ID requirements. When you're happy with all these settings, click Save at the top of the page near the search bar. If you have multiple locations where you want to offer pickup, just repeat the same process for each one. Select the location, enable pickup, adjust the timing, configure transfers, and customize the notification. Once everything is saved, your customers will be able to choose local pickup at checkout for the locations you've enabled.